How do I
sharpen a drill bit? Great question. First thing you're going to need is a grinder, drill bit and some safety glasses. So we'll present the drill bit at the angle that we've got on the tip and then rotate it anti-clockwise to follow the curve on the end. And then flip it 180 degrees and do the same on the other wing, ensuring that we keep an equal grind on one side or the other. We want to keep the point in the middle. So here's a good tip. The angle of the tip of the drill, generally for machinists' twist bits, is the same angle as if you have two hex nuts drilled in there. Don't get too hung up on the angle at all when you're sharpening these. Try and keep it at that, but if you're drilling a lot of wood, you can actually make it a little bit sharper. So this drill bit I use for pen blanks, and you can see I've literally ground that at a much sharper angle. And the reason for that is it penetrates the softer pen blank materials and leaves less force to bore its way through. If you've got a drill bit which has got a much flatter tip, then they're great for harder, more brittle materials. But as I say, don't get hung up on keeping that angle too loosely. Try and keep it, but don't get too bogged down if you're making it a little bit sharper. That's fine. So that's how I do it. I'm sure you've got a different way. If you have, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon just up here, because we're releasing these videos daily and you can see previous ones of them. I think they're down here, but if you really want to stick around and support the channel, get some cool perks and all that kind of jazz, then there's a Patreon link down, I think there somewhere. So you stay safe till next time.